Steve! Phone me and call if come to the skit them.
Hold on, wait there. We can't put this on till tomorrow.
No, we can't put this off because we already put it off 3 times already because they're on the damn phone. And like your friend for front.
Babe, me call you back later. Yeah, I forgot to do that boring skit, yeah. Yeah, man, no. Yeah, I'm gonna miss you too. Yeah, I miss you. Love you too. No, love you more.
Steve! And the brother never shadow the bricks. Yo, that line for coming in. Oh God, my you still a chat to the Bataille's girl, my you.
Bataille's?
My she go left anyway now.
How for girl you call Bataille? You think I might why you jealous and lonely and on a body? You feel a dirty black heart that's why you dirty boring skin. Babes, I know you did right. Haters gonna hate and potatoes gonna potate. Yeah, bastard. But nobody not like a skin. They're boring life.
Huh? Potatoes gone potate. What that mean? Potatoes gone potate? Alright, Steve, I apologize about yesterday. I never mean to call you a Bataille's girl. My fault, I'm wrong. Alright. Steve! Tell her say a Bataille's girl but potatoes are potate. Tell her.